everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude 3.5 to Google Sheets for automated data research. Let's start with the first one, which is to create a new Google Sheet for your research project. Then after that, visit the Anthropic console to generate a Cloud API key. So keep this key secure as you will need it in the next step to authenticate your app script connection. So for step number 2 is in your Google Sheet, go to the extensions and then tap on app script. So from here, write a function that connects to the Cloud API using the URL fetch app, and then set up your API key as a script property for security. Now the script will handle sending prompts and receiving AI responses. Step number 3 is to create a custom Cloud AI menu in your Google Sheet with options like Run Research, Analyze Data, and Generate Summary. So these menu items trigger your app script functions to process data using the Cloud AI. Next is build a custom formula like Cloud and then research this company so that you can use directly in the cells. So the formula sends the prompt to Cloud and then returns the AI generated research results, and then populate columns for company name, industry, revenue, and key insights. Lastly is set up automated triggers. So configure time-based triggers in the app script to automatically run your research functions on a schedule. So you can set up daily or weekly automation to keep your data fresh. And then you can also just monitor the dashboard for last run success status. So just a pro tip, you can also start with a weekly trigger and increase frequency as needed to manage API costs effectively. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!